Meaning of gaudy.
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 Gaudy. The word gaudy is an adjective that means excessively bright, showy, or tastelessly ornamented. When used to describe an object, it implies something that is overly flamboyant or ostentatious and often considered vulgar or lacking in good taste. This term can also be used to criticize someone for being flashy or ostentatious in their behavior or dress. In general, gaudy connotes an over-the-top aesthetic that is often viewed as tacky or garish by those with more refined sensibilities.